Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see how you can create professional website for your restaurant or any food related business. For creating this kind of website there is no need to buy any domain or any hosting. With zero investment you can create your professional website. Important thing is you should have your Google account, and second thing is you have to learn like how you can create your business website layout. Once it is clear with your idea and with your content images, you can create proper professional website for your restaurant or any food related business. So let's see how to create this kind of website. For that, as I said, you should have your Google account and then you can follow all the steps with me. So let's get started. First thing, you have to search for Google Sites in your Google search bar. When I'm searching with this, you can see the first result, it's Google Sites. So open this in new tab. Now here you can see this is your Google site dashboard. In recent sites all your projects are visible on which you are working or you have already completed. So all these projects are visible here, you can see. But right now we are not going to focus on this recent sites parts. We'll focus on this start new sites. So for creating new site we have to create blank site. So select this option, blank sites. Once you click on it, you can see we have here default theme for Google Sites. So this is default theme provided by Google Business for you, but we are not going to proceed with this default theme. We'll create customized theme for us. So for creating that, we have here one more option, insert page and themes. So click on this themes option, and right now we are using simple theme. So here you can see this one is highlighted and having color palette and all the details, font style. But if you want to add new theme, just select one theme from here. I'm going to select vision. So let's click on vision part. In this theme you can observe here we have a background image, title and header part. So in first part we are going to just focus on your header part. It will include creating your site name, adding logo, adding pages to your website and header image. And one more thing is your tagline. Suppose in this your page title will add some catchy tagline for your restaurant website. So let's see how to create it. First step is to add logo, a logo or business title. So let's follow business title first. Now it is a restaurant related website, so I'm thinking to give it name as Yummy Food. Okay, then logo. For downloading logo I'm going to prefer Pixabay, which is a free platform. From there you can get high quality of logos and images. So let's see, we'll go with food option, and I don't want photo, I want it to be illustrations. So I'm clicking on it and choose any one of the image as your logo. If you want to learn like how to create professional logo like designing using Canva, that part I'm going to show you in next video. But for now just select any one of the image and click on, just first select this drop down arrow and then click on download option. So you can choose your preferred size and style. So I'm choosing the second one, which is by default, and then click on download option. Okay, now it is getting downloaded. Okay, it's ready. So again go back to your theme part or your website part, and below title you can see we have option add logo. Select this option, then upload. Right now I have my image in downloads folder. So suppose you are saving this image to any particular folder, so you have to open that and select that image. For me I'm selecting this image from downloads. So let's click on it, then open option and close this window. You can see we have logo visible here. As I said, next part is to add pages to your website. So go with this second option, pages. Now here you can see we have home page. This is the one on which we are working right now, but we want to add 2 to 3 new pages. So for that click on this plus icon and we'll create one page with about us, then done. One more, as it is restaurant, so we should have menu. So adding menu page, and last is contact part, which is also equally important, contact us. So we have 4 pages. Now we are on contact us page, so make sure you are on home page. So click on this tab, home. So we'll now focus on creating header image and header title. First we have to select one proper image for your background. Proper image means I'll explain you. See, if you want to add something, no illustration, first select your photo. Okay, what I was saying, like proper image means we want to add some tagline. For tagline there should be space in your image so that your title will be properly visible. Here you can see about this image I was saying. You can see we have sufficient space here to add your text. So I'm selecting this image for my background header image. So same way, download this image. Okay, this is downloaded. Now click on header section and click on this image drop down arrow, then upload. Go to your downloads folder, select that image and open this image. Okay, now you can observe one thing here. This is not in that same color. Here you can see this image is actually bright in color, but we are getting here some dark shade. So to make it in original color, here you can see option remove readability adjustment. So just click on it and you will get your original color. So header image part is done. Now let's add some catchy line. So I am using ChatGPT to just find out some tagline for my hotel. So I'm asking ChatGPT, please suggest 10 ideas for hotel website tagline. Okay, I'm just choosing any one of it. Like for me right now content is not important. I'm going to show you how to design website, so that part you can ignore right now. So I'm selecting any one of the tagline. First paste it in your notepad, because we don't want to copy the format from ChatGPT text. I want normal text, and then I'll select proper text formatting there. Again, visit your website, add that text here, and now we'll go with the text formatting. Select all text and then font size option, reduce it to 48, or we can say 40 is the proper font size, and then adjust alignment, center, left, right. Okay, again I'm reducing the size, not 40, it should be 34, 30, 25, because my concern is like I don't want to overlap text with the image, so that's why I'm reducing the size. 20 to 21, because last word is getting overlap with that spoon image. For that reason only I'm adjusting. Okay, now it is correct. And one more line, copy here, paste first in your notepad to remove the formatting, and then enter and paste that line. Now you can change the size. 30, no, not 30, 27, 24, 23. Okay, still one line is there which I want to. Okay, make it visible. Okay, now it is properly visible, no overlapping. So one thing is we haven't changed this header color, so let's change the header color. Like it is in blue color, I want to change that color. Go to your themes option and scroll down to the vision theme and click on this bucket. Now here you can see we have options to change color. So change color according to your preference. Okay, for me I'm fixing this color, so this part is done. Now I'm thinking to remove this part and increase font of this. So make sure you are properly adjusting your text for your header image. 22. Then again give bold for the second tagline, and we'll change the text color for first one. So here is option after underline, you can see text color, and choose any one of the bright color. Okay, so header part is done. So let me again repeat what we did in header part. So first we added logo, then we added title. After that you can change your logo with edit logo or add logo option. After that go to the pages option and add pages. Just you have to click on this plus icon and start adding your pages. Once this part is done, you can change your background image. For changing background image, just click on header part, select your image from this drop down upload part, and you can change your background. After background, like select any one of the tagline from your ChatGPT, or if you have, you can copy the same and add it here. For changing font, you can use this font size option. For changing color, use this text color, underline, italic, alignment part is there. Then you can change text type also. I'm not changing text type right now, but you can change text type. Then it is title, heading, subheading, this all editing part is here, so you can use this also for editing your font. After this, we change the color of the header. So for changing color of the header, you have to again go to themes part. From vision, you can select the color. Just you have to click on this bucket option and you can choose the color. So in this way we completed header part. So in part 2 we'll see how to add about us section. So in that we'll see about us, how to add image, content. Now let's start with the about us part. So in this section we are going to add some information about your hotel. For doing it, I'm going to use text box first. So make sure you are clicking on header section and then add text box here, and then add your text about us part, and then give it as a title, because it is going to be title, not a normal text, or we can make it as a heading. And then align it to the center part. And now you should choose consistent color for your website, and for that I will suggest you can copy the same code of the color which you use already for your header. So go here in your themes part in vision and click on this bucket, and then copy the same color code. Here you can see we have color code. Just control C from here and again go back to your text part, and in color part, text color, just click on this text color, and here you can get add custom color option. So click on this plus icon, and in hex code remove the previous code and add your new code and click on save. Here you can see we have same color here, the one which we use for header, the same we are going to use for text also. So your full website is going to be in consistent color. That's the only thing. After this, we are going to choose one of the layout. So go back again to insert tab, and from this select the first content block, where you can see we have one image and some text here. For image, you can download using Pixabay, any one of the image which you want. I have already downloaded few images, so I'm going to choose one from it. I downloaded one collage of food, so let me search where it is. I downloaded one proper collage. It's not visible here now. Okay, let me download that image again. I search for food collage. In food collage, if you scroll down, no, here that image is not visible. Okay, let's download this image we can replace after we complete designing part. So image is not important right now, so I'm choosing any one of the image randomly, just to explain you like how you can adjust image height, width, text part. So I'm choosing this image. Now I don't want here a title, I just want normal text, so I'll remove this part. So you can delete this using this delete option, and we are going to add some text here. So let me ask ChatGPT, please provide 5 to 6 line content for about a section food website. Okay, so I'm going to copy the same thing. First copy it in your notepad file. Welcome to, change name of your restaurant, Yummy Food, and copy the text. Control X. Again we have one more place where we have to replace the name. Here again I'm replacing my site title, Yummy Food. Control A, Control C. In Yummy Food, here in text part, just paste that part. Again one more paragraph I'm going to add. Okay, now let's change the text formatting. Control A, and increase the font size as it should be readable properly, so anyone can read it on desktop and mobile. So accordingly you have to check the size of your font and image also. So I'm just adjusting the content, like I want it to be properly aligned in same width and height. So okay, adjustment part is done. I'm thinking to add one more line here because some space is blank there, so just to remove that space. Now you can see we will get the same height for your image and for your text. In this way we design about a section. Now in next part we'll create menu part. To add menu section, just keep your cursor here on about a section and then click on text box. So we can add text box here. Copy the same about a section formatting here. I'm just copy pasting because I don't want to invest time for this text formatting. So if I copy the same, formatting is going to be there. I just need to change the text part. So I changed the text and I kept formatting as it is. So menu part we have added. To add your images, we have to select this last layout in content block. Select the last one with the 4 images. So one by one select image from your folders and make sure you are choosing high quality of images, so it will give nice look and feel and your website will look more attractive. And I told you like you can refer Pixabay and few more websites I will share with you in the description box. From there you can download free images and high quality free images. That's very important. So just select some images here. I'm choosing pani puri and veg non-veg mix menu card here. Okay, now below this we'll add dish name. Right now I am not having dish name handy with me, so I'm just giving as a dummy text dish name. Change it to subheading. Give this same color. You know how to add this. We already added in text palette, no, sorry, in color palette. You can add from there. Copy the same for all your dishes and just change name according to, like, pani puri or veg pizza. In this way we have added. This is the extra part. I'm deleting this one, and you can create menu part in the same way. If you want to add one more line or one more row, so again select this same content block, choose images and follow the same process. Okay, so let's add some more images. So we'll have total 8 menu card images here. Okay, last one I'm adding. Okay, again same process, just copy the dish name and formatting of that dish name text. It's dish name here. Okay, this is your special menu, and if you want to show your few more items or menu list, so how you can add that part also I'll show you. For this, just keep your cursor here on last section and go to the content block, scroll down and click collapsible group. Once you click here, add title as your other menu option. So here you can describe your other menu. Add like your dish name 1, and its price 700 rupees, 800 rupees. Change it to subheading. Copy the same, Control C, then enter, paste your dish names, and you can do like change alternate color. For first you can change it to the orange red color, or then again black, then keep one as a black, then change to orange color. So in this way you can create your menu part. So we have two options to show your menu. One is normal text and your price rate. Here also you can add price. Actually, just keep your cursor here, add your price. Okay, for each and every dish you can do it in same way, or if you want to add some description about that particular dish, so just press enter and add here your text. Your text means your description for that dish. Okay, but right now I'm just showing only image part. If you want, I'll add for one section. Okay, let's suppose this is the description of your that dish. So you can add, just press enter. First copy your text in notepad, just assume like this one is the description of that image, a dish. Make it center align, Control C, enter here, add for your next dish. In this way you can add for your all menu card. So this is the one option, or otherwise normal dish name and your dish. Next part is other menu. You have to choose collapsible group, and here only you can add your text. There is no option to add image inside it, so just your dish name and price. So these are the three ways in which you can show your menu on your website. First is a normal image and dish name. Second is your dish name, your price and some description about that dish, and last way it's a collapsible group. once your customer click on this arrow button, they can show all your dish name and price content. So in this way we have designed menu section. So in next part we'll see how to add your service part or about your team. So let's see in next part. Paste here and change the text to services, or we can say services. Remove the extra space, and for creating this section we are going to choose the third option, third content layout. Here we have three images, and instead of one image I'm going to replace it with the text. So first let me delete one of the image. I deleted one image part and I'm going to choose text part there. So just select text and drag here, and now we have image, text and one more image. For this text part, first I'm going to replace that text section. So from your service, copy text, and then you can add this text here. Again extra space is there, I'm just adjusting that extra space. Change image here, okay, and we can change image, we can adjust height, width. Again here one more image is there. Choose this collage image. In this way we have added services. About service you can just mention your paragraph, or you want like add your restaurant images, your chef images, kitchen part. In this way you can create your section about service part, and then just scroll down if you want to add about your team. So for adding about your team, just we have to create separate part, add it here and mention here about your team. And for adding your team details, I would refer to go with this third one, layout. So here just download person image, chef images, okay, and choose image from this website and download. And change this image option, sorry, not a select option, go to the upload option. And one more image we want to add here. Okay, it is not downloaded. Again go back to Pixabay, and download image. Here I'm using images from Pixabay website. Change name of the person. What is, you can add something. And then below this just add some description like about their specialty, what they are cooking, their experience you can mention there. I'm just adding a text for your reference. Here also the same text. In this section you can change your formatting also using various options. Make it bold, change your text type, then text size, color. You can add emojis, and you can paste link also here. If you want to add link, you can add link. So in this way we have designed about service and about your team. In next part we'll see how you can add contact us and footer part, which is also equally important because your customer should know about your location, about your contact details and your social media links. For that we'll see how to create contact us and section in separate part. So let's see in the next part how to create that. Now let's see how we can add last section, which is contact us part. For creating that we have to choose first Google Map, where we are going to add your location. So click on this map option. Here you can see, just if you scroll down, we have map. Click on it and enter your proper address with your pin code, your city. If you're adding your proper website, so you can get that location in your Google Map. So I'm selecting this and then click on select. Now we have Google Map added here. So before that we miss out one part, is to add a title. So let's add it. This section is about your contact. Replace text, change it to contact us. Now we have a Google Map, and in front of that I want to add some information about more details like your email address, your phone number and proper address also we can add here. So other contact details, and change this to subheading and mention here first we can say your phone number, and then again we'll change this text size. For this text, change it to 12, or we can say it as a 14 also. Give your phone number here, then email ID, and just say yummy food your gmail.com. Then we have address here in Google Map, but you can add your address in text format also in front of this, like XYZ Road, plot number or shop number, your city, state. So in this way we have added contact, where we have added your Google Map and some extra information. Again I'm changing some formatting, so change color, okay. Now we'll create footer part. For creating footer, just scroll down and there is one more option, add footer. Click on this plus icon and this is your text part, but we want to change it formatting also, like background. Here you can see one color palette is there. You have to select this option to change this style. So I want to make it to the style 3, which is going to be black header. So we have selected black header as your footer as your background. And then we want to add some social media icons here. So let's go with social icons. You can add your Facebook link, copy your store page. So I'm just selecting first Facebook page just to show you how you can add, and then take it here, and we want to change it to color. So you can here say size, you can increase medium, large, and let's keep it medium. Change it to the outline. Okay, you can change formatting also, like you want square, you want circle, no shape, only icon. Change color to colored icon. I want this shape to be as a square. And then one more we'll add is your YouTube or LinkedIn also you can add, but I'm adding YouTube link. Paste link here in your social icon, social links. Change it to the medium size. Change color to colored one, and then just adjust the position. Okay, here we have sufficient space to adjust your icon width and height. I think it's no shape, it's good instead of square shape because it's taking extra space. Here also I'm saying no shape. Okay, in this way we have added 2 icons. You can add LinkedIn, Instagram. Just you have to click on social link and provide that link. This part is done. Now we can go for some extra details where you can add in footer your pages link. Suppose you are creating one more page with about us. We have actually about us, and if you are creating separate page, for creating separate page you have to create that page first, and you can give that link here. Just make it some 10, okay, readable font. I have changed the font size. Suppose there is one page of your about us part, so just you have to copy that link. Assume this is your about us page. You have to copy this link, click on this text, and there is one more option, insert link, and add that insert link, or you can add that link, or you can choose the page. So we will choose about us page, and then click on select. A similar way you can add contact us page. Select this text, click on insert link, contact us, select. So this one is done. Now we want to add some address and phone number in footer part also. After this I think we'll add, let's keep it here and take this section in front of this. Now just mention your address. Same address you can copy and paste here. First paste in your text in your notepad so that formatting is not going to be there. Just paste there and add same text in your footer part, address and phone. Your phone number you can add here, enter, and if you want you can add email ID. just copy same as I explain you. First you can copy this to notepad and then paste here. Okay, in this way we have completed footer part also. So let's see once again like what are the things which we have covered. So in website designing first tutorial we have covered how you can design your header part, how you can add about is your description, then menu section using two to three different forms: collapsible menu, image menu, or you can say description menu. And then about your service section, about your team part, contact, which includes your phone number and your Google Maps, and last is the section part. So in this way you can create simply within one hour we can say, or 20 to 30 minutes. If you have all content ready, like you have selected your images and your text part, then you can easily create this website within 20 minutes. So in this way we have completed this tutorial. If any doubt you want me to help you, you can mention your comment in description box, so I'm ready to guide you anytime. Thanks for watching.